So hello guys, in today's video we are going to find which website and app is connected to our Google Analytics, or in technical terms you can also say what data streams are connected to our Google Analytics. So we go to admin, then if you see, you will find a section called data collection and modification. You will see many options: data streams, data collection, data import, data retention, data filters, and consent settings. We will talk about all other options later, but we will first select data streams. Here you will see many different streams. These streams are related to the data pipeline that we have connected from the website and app. Here you will see all options: flooded Android, flooded iOS, flooded web. So you will get all the data streams here. If you wanted to select only for iOS, you can go to iOS. If you wanted to see only for Android, you can go for Android. And if you wanted to see what websites are being linked to your Google Analytics, you can select web. So this is how you can see all the data streams connected to your Google Analytics. Hope this helps.